Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is very important to learn more details about the Azure, and in this video we will see that how to deploy our ASP.NET Core applications on the Azure Virtual Machine. Or here we will use the Ubuntu Azure Virtual Machine. So we will use the Ubuntu image as well. And along with that we will see the some basic commands of the Ubuntu, or we will use the NGINX web server as well instead of IIS web server that we use in the Windows image. So this video is a very interesting to learn about the virtual machines on using the Ubuntu image. And after this video, I would create next video on the load balancer. So this video is a base video to learn about the load balancer. Okay, so I just want to tell you that please stick on this video till the end, so that you will grab the knowledge about the virtual machines, and we will set up everything using the command line terminal. Okay, so this video is a super duper important for the all the developers, not only for .NET developers. If you are watching video as the PHP developer, Node.js developer, Java developer, any kind of developer. So this video is for all the developers. Okay, so without getting any delay, so let's get started with the main content. So here I am at Azure portal, or you will see that there is an option which is the virtual machines. Okay, or guys, we will use the terminal command line of the Ubuntu. So I have already written all those scripts that I will run in this video. Okay, and I will give this code, this command line to in the description box of this video. So don't worry guys. Okay, and you will found each command line description box of this video. Okay, so you will found a link. Just go there and check out the page. There you will find every command line, and while you watching this video, you should apply this command line in your system so that you will be able to work on it. Okay, so like I don't want to write again these command lines. Okay, so that's why I will just copy and paste the command line in my terminal. Okay, so let's see. So right now I'm at in a virtual machines, or I will create a new virtual machine. So just click your first option, which is the virtual machines. Okay, and I would love to choose this first option. Okay, so let's see. So this is a configuration, and we will configure our virtual machines, and what should be the networking, and how much the requirements. Okay, so let's see. So first we will create the resource group, and it is a very important thing. Okay, so I would name it as a virtual machine tutorial. Okay, that's it. Or just I will just click OK, and you can name it anything. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Or you can define a purpose as well, or please make sure that you should follow the proper naming convention as well. You should always follow the Pascal naming convention. Okay, so that you won't face any issue while working with the virtual machines and load balancers. Okay, so here we will see that virtual machine name. Okay, so I would love to name it as a Rohan new VM1. Okay, so this would be my virtual machine name. Okay, Rohan new VM, and you can name it anything. It's totally up to you. Or I would choose the region, which is the central India, and right now I am in India, so that's why I am choosing the central India. Okay, there are so many lists to choose your region. Okay, so it's totally up to you. And after that we will see the availability options. So simply I will just click on the no infrastructure redundancy required, or we will security type, please keep it as a trusted launch virtual machines, or please choose the image as a Ubuntu server 24.04. Okay, and LTS version, and x64 gen 2, and right now I'm using the free subscription, so that's why it is telling me the free service I will eligible. So first let me tell you that what is the purpose to use the Ubuntu server as compared to Windows server. Okay, so first thing you should know that Ubuntu server is a very lightweight as compared to the a Windows server, and cost of the Ubuntu server is very less as compared to the Windows server. And if I tell you one important thing, that the configuration setup is a very simple as compared to the Windows server as well. Okay, like so, and you don't need to do any manually like a Windows server configuration. Everything here you can do everything with the command line, and it will set up automatically. So that's why I choose the Ubuntu server in this video. Okay, or VM architecture I would choose the x64, or the size. So size I will just choose the standard B1, and there are lot of so there are lot of configuration then you can choose. Okay, so it's totally up to you. The large number of size, then you will increase your cost as well. Okay, so right now I will just choose the thing. Okay, or just click OK here. uh, okay, so like supposing the thing that I have mistakenly reload the page. Okay, let me create it again. So I will just choose, I will just create as uh, a virtual machine tutorial. Okay, so don't worry guys, I will just do in a quick manner. Or Rohan new VM, that's it. Or region would be Asia Pacific, or availability zone is no infrastructure redundancy required. Architectural style is x64. I would choose the size standard B1, or and I won't click over here, or just simply go there. Or I would choose the password based authentication type. Okay, so the username of my server is Rohan1, or I will choose the password, and you can choose any password, and make sure that your password length should be 12 characters minimum. Okay, so I am just entering my password, and while you scroll down, and it is asking me that public inbound port, so I will just keep as a allow selected ports. Okay, or I would choose the another port, which is the http 80 port. Okay, or after this I would go to the disk option. Okay, in the disk option I don't want do anything, so simply I would move to the networking section. In the networking section you will see that the virtual network that we have created, and it is automatically generated. Okay, so it is a Rohan new VM VNet. Okay, and I will tell you in the next video while we create the load balancer, and we will apply the load balancer on such virtual machines. Okay, and I will tell you that what is the importance of the virtual network and the subnet. Okay, so don't worry, right now in this video please keep it same. Okay, subnet is a default subnet. Okay, and you and right now it is the fresh account. Okay, so so that's why it is as a default. But if you are using the old accounts, okay, so you will found the any subnets like this. Okay, so you don't need to worry anything. Okay, right now the public IP, so it is like right now it is a blank because of the new fresh account. Okay, or NIC security group I will just choose as a basic, or public inbound ports I will choose the allow selected ports that we have choose in the previous part. Okay, or and check this box, which is the delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. Suppose after my work I will delete this virtual machine, so my public IPs and NIC would be deleted automatically. So so that's why I am checking this option. Okay, or so we have done every required steps. Now I would move to the management. In the management I don't want anything here. Or in the monitoring section just check this box, which is the enable application health monitoring. You will see that type is application has extension, protocol is HTTP, and port number is 80, path is in the root directory. Okay, and health threshold would be 5, interval in the 5 seconds. Okay, so simply, okay, in the advanced section I won't do anything here, and I would go to the tags section. I don't want to create any tags on this virtual machine. So simply I will just click on the review and create, and it will do the validation of your configuration that you have selected for this virtual machine. Or along with that, this is a very crucial step that we have done here. Okay, or so we have successfully passed the validation of the virtual machines that we want to create. Or just click on the create button, and you will see that the deployment will be start there, or you will see the message which is the initializing deployment, and it is right now it is submitting the deployment to the Azure portal, or it will take around 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything, and it is you don't need to do anything, and it is doing automatically. Okay, and the deployment is in a progress mode. So you will see that fourth checkbox becomes green. It means that all the things are okay. Rohan new virtual machine is creating right now. Okay, so don't worry, everything is gonna automatically, and just have patience. Or till then, just have some coffee, have some chocolates, that meanwhile the completion of this process. Okay, so let's see how much time it will take. Or the important thing is that the purpose of this video to tell you that here you will learn about the virtual Azure virtual machines. Another thing, you will learn about the Ubuntu command lines as well. Okay, or we will deploy our project to the Ubuntu virtual machine. So this is a very important thing to tell you that in this video you will learn a lot of things. Okay, so just I will just go to the resources, or here you will see the things which is let me introduce this virtual machine first. Okay, so strategy is running, and location, it is a central India. The operating system that we are using right now, Linux Ubuntu 24.04, which is the latest version, and it is the long-term version as well. Okay, so and the size, we are using the standard B1 size, and and it is the based on the one virtual CPU, and with the 1 gigabyte memory as well. So this is the private public IP of a virtual machine, and I will tell you that what is the purpose to use this thing. Okay, and we will deploy our application using this public IP. Okay, or here you see that the virtual network and the subnet, which is the Rohan new VM vnet slash default, is subnet, and DNS name I haven't configured here. Okay, or the health state, it is right now it is unhealthy, and we will do configuration using the command lines. Then we will see that this unhealthy status would become the healthy state, or the agent status is ready, and in your case suppose it is not a ready status. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. It is it takes time around 2-3 minutes. Okay, so it is a automatic process, so don't worry guys. Okay, so in the networking section, you will see that there are so many things which I want to introduce you here. Okay, so this is the network security group, and here we define the ports that we want to allow in our virtual machine. Okay, and I will tell you later in this video that how to use the network security group, and what is the purpose to use of the network security group. Okay, so first let's connect our virtual machine to the command line. Okay, so just click on the connect, or while you scroll down, then you will see the execute your choice of the local shell. Simply I will just copy this shell command, or I will open my command prompt, or just it is the terminal which is provided by the Windows operating system, and simply I will just paste my SSH command. Okay, and simply I will just hit the enter, and it is asking me that are you sure you want to continue the connecting? Yes, I want to connect here. It is asking me to enter the password at the time that we created in the first part. Okay, so I will just enter my password, or it is take around 5 seconds to execute the things. Okay, or so we have successfully entered in our virtual machine, or we will do so many command here. Okay, and we will see everything, every step, and I will explain you every step to create this virtual machine. Okay, so this is my file, and this is the list of the commands that we will use here. Okay, and I will provide you this command lines as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. So please stick with this video, or I will just copy first command, which is the sudo apt update, and it will upgrade as well. Okay, so simply I will just hit the enter, or it is taking time. Or here the purpose of to use this command, like it is updating the dependencies of the apt. Okay, so like you don't need to do anything, or you will see that how the command line is so easy, or like as compared to Windows Server. Okay, so it is taking around like it will take around 30 seconds to execution this command, or you will see the progress line is started here. So let's see how much time it will take. So our process is completed now, and it just you have to wait to finish this process. Now the next command is to install the .NET dependencies in our virtual machine. Or simply I will just hit the enter. Okay, over here we will use the package of the Ubuntu server. Okay, so which is regarding to the .NET. Okay, and simply I will just hit the enter, and the process is simply completed. Okay, now the next command, it is the sudo dpk package, and it will choose the package of the Microsoft for the production. Okay, or simply I will just hit the enter like this, or I will remove the package again. Okay, so just click the just paste your commands like this. Okay, or I will just update my apt like this, or it will take a few seconds to execution the things. Okay, so let's see how much time it will take. Yes, it is done right now. Okay, now it's time to install the .NET Runtime. Okay, so right now my application that I want to deploy on my virtual machine, which is based on the .NET 8. Okay, if you are using the .NET 7, .NET 6, .NET 9, .NET 10. Okay, so just you have to choose your runtime based on your version. Okay, so simply like my application is right now on the .NET 8. Okay, so simply I will just install this dependency, or I will install the .NET SDK as well. Okay, because like we want to create our application, and we want to deploy like we want to build our application as well. Okay, so that's why I'm using the SDK as well. Okay, so it is done right now. Okay, and we will install the NGINX web server as well. Okay, and I will tell you that what is the NGINX and what is the IIS. Okay, so in the Windows operating system you will see the IIS web server for the .NET applications, because if you want to run the .NET application on the Windows, so you required as the IIS web server. But in case of the Linux Ubuntu system, you will be require the Nginx web server, which is the totally Linux based web server. Okay, so you don't need to do anything, and in the Windows web server, like you have to do everything manually. Okay, and here you will see that everything is doing automatically, and you don't need to do anything. Okay, so here you will see that I will create the dir in the directory in the home folder. Okay, in the home folder, it is the Rohan 2, and at the time of the creation of the virtual machine, in the first section you saw that I choose the Rohan 1 as the user of virtual machine. Okay, not Rohan 2. So simply what I will do here, like whenever I will create the folder and choose the anything. Okay, so I will just replace my Rohan 2 with the Rohan 1. Okay, like I accidentally I created the command line based on the Rohan 2. Okay, so simply I will just replace here. Okay, Okay, super. So this is my username. Okay, and after that I will create a new folder which is the my app. So simply I will just copy the thing, and if you want to cross check that what is my username, okay, so you will see that Rohan one is my username. Rohan UVM is my virtual machine name. Okay, or simply I will just hit the enter. So new folder is created successfully. Or here you will see another command which is the secured copy command, and the purpose is to use the, like I will transfer all my build to the virtual machine. Okay, so so this is the main purpose to use this command. Okay, like we have to shift our code to the virtual machine. Okay, so this is the way. Now first you have to write your, like first you have to write scp hyphen r star, like star denotes the, like I want to send all the files. After that it is the Rohan one which is the username, add that, and you have to put the public IP. Or let's see how to find the public IP of your virtual machine. So go to your virtual machine configuration. In the connect section you will see that VM IP address. So simply just copy this address or replace your IP address with the existing one. Okay, like this. Or in the home folder, like the user will be found as the Rohan one. Okay, and I will create and I will transfer my files to the app, my app folder. Okay, and this folder is already created there, and you can see there. Okay, so I will just move my files to this location. Okay, so what you have to do, simply I will just copy this command. Okay, or I will go to my build. First I will build this application. Okay, so this is the build that I am gonna to publish. Or I will select the location as well, or simply I will just publish my application. Okay, so the publishing is started right now. Okay, or it is a very quick step to completion this process. Or I will tell you that how to transfer your existing build code to the virtual machine. Okay, and it is a very fantastic thing. Okay, so don't you think so, guys? Or guys, there is a very important thing that please, if you are loving this video, and if you see that the video like you are actually learning from this video, so I just want to request you, please hit the like button and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. Or along with that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, so that you will get our daily updates regarding the videos as well. Okay, so I will just open my publish code here. Okay, or I will just open my command line in this folder, or simply I will just paste that command that I copied, that I created, which is the which is the secure copy hyphen r star. Rohan1 is my username of my virtual machine, or it is the IP address of my virtual machine. Or simply I will just hit the enter, and you will see that it is asking me the path to enter the password. Okay, so I will enter the password, and you will see that nothing is typing here, but it is a encryption which is provided by the terminal. Okay, or simply I will just hit the enter, and you will see that the transferring is started right now. Okay, and each file will be transferred to the location of the virtual machine that we have mentioned here, which is the home Rohan1, and to the my app location. And it is, and this will target the this the virtual machine which have the IP address with the user name of the virtual machine. Okay, so you will see that like it is a very magical thing. Okay, or so you see that like how it is a very cute way to send your files as compared to the as compared to Windows web server. Okay, and in the Windows web server, like you would have to do manually, but and you would do, and you can do with the pipeline as well. Okay, but in this video I just want to make you to learn about the Linux command as well. Okay, so that's why I didn't use the pipeline. Okay, and And if you want to use the pipelines, okay, so I have already created the videos regarding the pipeline, okay, so like the CI/CD pipeline, okay, so you will find the link of this video in the description box, okay, so just to check out the video and you will see that how to create the pipelines, okay. So simply I will just close this terminal, okay, so we have successfully transferred all those files. Now what I will do, I will create another directory which is the root folder, okay, and this is the command which is the sudo make dir -p, and here we are creating the root folder. In the root folder I am creating the my app folder, okay, so simply I will just copy this command, or I will go back to my virtual machine or hit the enter. So the folder is created successfully. Now the thing is that you should aware about this thing, okay, otherwise you will face an issue while you working with the command line, okay, or like this, or simply I will just hit the enter. You don't need to do anything. Now it's time to start your application as a service, so, okay, or it is asking me to, like, so you see that there is a blank screen and it is a text area. Here we have to enter the configuration, okay, so just copy this configuration like this, okay. So let me look that what is the configuration. So description is the my app.net app, okay, or the and target and network and target is over the network, okay, or working directory would be root folder. In the root folder it will be my app folder, okay. Execution start with the through this DLL, okay, which is the load balancer DLL, okay, and make sure that we have successfully added or not. So load balancer app, load balancer app, okay, and system log identifier I would keep it as a load balancer app, okay. Make sure that like you have added this thing successfully, okay, like make sure the name should be correct, okay. So load balancer app.dll, okay, or simply I will just copy, I will just save this file, okay. So just you have to choose, just you have to press command O. After that you have to hit the enter and just choose the command X and you will go out from there, okay. Now what I will do, I will run the daemon, okay, reload the daemon, okay. So we have successfully reload the daemon. After that I will start my service. Super. Or let's check the status of our application that we have added there, or hit the enter, and you will see that application is running successfully on the port number 5000, okay. So that's a good thing. Super. And this command is optional, which is the journal ctl, okay, so it's totally optional, so I won't use this command line, okay. I will remove the default nginx file, okay. So simply I will just paste this command, which is a sudo remove, and it is like it will remove the nginx file, default nginx file, okay. Simply just hit the enter, okay. Or you will, like, you have to do same process in the next video while we create the load balancer, and we will establish the load balancer as well, okay, with the virtual machines. So now the next command, it is the like I will create my own nginx file, which is the my app, or just hit the enter and you will see that the text area box is opened now. And I have to paste this configuration, okay, and I will tell you that what is the configuration. So the configuration is the server, okay. So I am setting up the server, and so my application would listen on the port number 80, okay. The server name, which is the underscore colon, okay. Underscore means that the server name can be anything, okay. So right now I am placing the nginx on this server on this virtual machine, okay. So it will automatically get the IP address, okay. Here you see that like we have added the health check, which is the location space slash check, and you have to make sure that you have to add the space here as well, otherwise you will face the issue. Or just return with the status 200 with the message of VM2 health is okay, okay. So let me change the thing like this, okay. And I have added the proxy on the port number 5000. Okay, or make sure that that you have to give the space between this slash and the curly braces. Okay, or just to save this file. Okay, so just click on the Control O. Okay, like this, or just hit the enter. Okay, or I will just exit from this file with the Control O, Control X. Okay, now the next thing is that okay, so I will enable my NGINX file which I have created in the my app, and after that I will tag my NGINX. Superb. So configuration, and I will restart my NGINX as well. So this is the restart command to you for the NGINX. Okay, now the thing is like I will allow the open access as well. Okay, or I am allowing the full NGINX port. Okay, so on the firewall. Okay, along with that I will enable my firewall. So we have successfully enabled firewall, or I will just choose the yes, or that's it. So my firewall is active with the SSH. Okay, or let's check the status as well. So just hit the enter. You will see that everything is allowed there. Okay, and guys, don't worry that that you have to like you will found the these command lines in the description box of this video. Okay, and you will found the link of this file as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. So you will see that the everything is every action is allowed, or you will see the anywhere as well. Okay, anywhere address as well. Now let's check that every like our application is running successfully or not. Just go to your virtual machine, or copy this IP address, or just paste your IP address, or just hit the enter, and we will see that our application is not okay. So let's see where the problem is. HTTP, or just hit the enter. Okay, so you see that our page is successfully loaded on this IP address, and we are using the our IP address, like we are using our virtual machine IP address to load this page. Okay, or make sure that I forgot to add the HTTP before this IP address, because I haven't set up SSL as well. Okay, so that's why I will just use the HTTP only, not the HTTPS. And if you love this content, if you love this video, so hit the like button, share this video to your friends or colleagues or network as well. Or guys, don't worry about the command lines of the Ubuntu. Okay, so you will found the command line in the file, and I will give this file link in the description box of this video. And in the next video, we will see that how to establish the load balancer with the virtual machines. Okay, or we will do the same thing in the next video as well. Okay, so my purpose is to make this video, okay, to tell you that so that you won't face any issue at the time. Okay, so that's why I created the separate video on it. Okay, so till then, take care guys. Bye bye, have a good day.